Hello everybody. This is my very first video with tips for cleaning because I'm not a blogger, I'm not a person that does videos or reviews, but this is something that has been a big issue for me, is finding something that will definitely clean my cabinets. Okay, that's why I'm not showing my face, because showing myself is not what I want. I don't know if you guys can see as well as I can, my cabinets needs really good cleaning. You see all this oil, I hate clean cabinets because I have never found something that will actually do a good job, and I'm lazy. So I've been trying and reading online so many things. And today I decided I would clean however I have in the house, whatever I have in the house. And I decided to try something new to clean the cabinets. I use the magic eraser sponge thing. I really like this, but every time I used on my cabinets, I feel like I still have to put some pressure on it to scrape it off all this old grease. But this helps quite a bit. So I use the magic eraser, but I decide to try this glass cleaner. This is a brand that I really like, more than any other ones to clean my glasses, the windows and mirrors and all that. This one is a really good one. Stoner Invisible Glass. I really like this one. And I decided that I would try. So I want to show to you, especially in this little corner right here. It did work. Shaking this off, I'm sorry. I let it sit over there for a few minutes. Okay. And then with this magic eraser, I just go for it. Not putting that much pressure. Okay. I'm just using that sponge right there. I'm just putting more pressure here on the corner because it's a corner. So I want to get that corner better. So I'm really excited to show the results. Take a while to dry off. So I get my dry towel because I want to show the results to you guys. And I dry off like this. You can see, and it's no damage made to my cabinet. And this is a laminate cabinet. It's not, heavy wood or anything like that. It's just a laminate. Sorry, my accent. See, I'm not trying to hold this phone and do this in the same time. And now I can kind of show to you better. You see, I didn't do a really good job scraping or cleaning anything, but I'm gonna try to show in every single angle. Can you see that those marks up here got a little bit? I didn't use much, but can you see how easy that was? I am just shocked. See right here, has this spot right there and all that stuff. Can you see the difference? I am shocked, everyone. I love the fact that this works. I hope that helps you out too. Bye.